Good morning everyone. So I'm just going to make myself a nice latte. Here we are. So I've just got it opened, but I like to have a thing called Shilajit inside it, which is it's from the Himalayan mountains, and it provides power, energy, performance and stamina. I see a lot of people using these in the gyms to give them that extra bit of energy. Now, I like to have it in a morning, but the taste is not so good, so I mix it in with my coffee. So keep watching and I'll show you how I do it. Just added my milk. Now I will add my latte. I get 2 out of this. A lot of people do 1, but I think it's just as good getting 2 out of 1. And then some people will add the sugar, but I add honey, which I think makes it taste even better. And then we'll go for the Shilajit now. Now, as you can see, opened up, you get this beautiful jar and a beautiful spoon. Oops, I apologise. I've had it on an angle the other day of doing a live stream. But there you go, still good. So you just want to get yourself a pea-sized amount. I'll just get it on because it's hard to do. So here it is. I've got it on. That's just plenty. Not much on that side. Pea-sized amount. That's perfect for a beginner. And then we just add it. You just give it a little stir, and it'll just slowly dissolve like that. And it's just as simple as that. And then when you come to drink it, you won't even be able to taste it. But I feel a good boost. And if you want to try it for yourself, I've left a link in the description for you. And don't forget to please like and subscribe. I'll leave a link for everything that I've used in this video. And any questions? And if not, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks everyone.